Before installation, the car should be thoroughly washed and dried. We recommend using jacks. We recommend working with 2 people. Remove the front bumper. Prepare the installation kit and necessary tools. From the underside of the bumper, at the base of the air intake, measure 3.3 centimeters from the front and 3 centimeters from the side. Drill a hole at the marked point. Mark the center line of the visible bolt on the front cross member. Then, aligned with the center line of the bolt, drill a through hole from the underside of the cross member. Mark the reinforcement bolt from the installation kit, 6.5 centimeters from one end. Then, screw the nut and washer onto the marked spot. Place the washer over the upper opening of the mounting hole in the crossmember. Then, insert the reinforcement bolt from below. Place the nut on top and tighten the bolt securely. Then, place the cover sleeve over the thread of the reinforcement bolt protruding from the bottom and secure it to prevent it from falling. Mount the bumper onto the car, ensuring the reinforcement bolts pass through the bumper holes. Place the front splitter against the bumper. Mark the location of the reinforcement bolt on the splitter. Then, drill a hole in the splitter at the marked location, a small hole at the top of the splitter and larger hole at the bottom. Place a washer on the thread of the reinforcement bolt and use a nut to secure the assembly. From the underbody of the car, place a wedge on the base of the air intake so that the base is firmly pressed against the splitter. Then, drill holes through the splitter and the base of the air intake in the vertical elements of the splitter. Insert the mounting bolts into the holes with the bolt heads facing down. Using the washers and nuts, secure the assembly securely. Secure the sides of the splitter to the bumper in the same manner.